Hello and welcome to my channel. Let's learn about the few ways of saying you are tired. So let's begin with the first one. Knocked out. Example: all the enthusiasm had been knocked out of him, or the tournament is a straight knockout. Number second, fatigued. Example: driver's fatigue was to be blamed for the accident, or Sam's face was pale with fatigue. Number third, worn out. Example: she was so worn out that she fell asleep at the table, or I'm quite worn out by these collars. Number 4, at the end of my rope. Example: I'm at the end of my rope with these train delays. Number 5, drowsy. Example: I sometimes feel drowsy in the early afternoon, or she became drowsy after supper. Number 6, can't keep my eyes open. Example: look at Junie. She can't even keep her eyes open. Put her to bed. Number 7, down and out. She was completely down and out. Number 8, weary. Example: his face looked straight and weary, or I have grown rather weary of all your excuses. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.